Now that we know how blocks form a chain, let's zoom in on what goes inside a block, the transactions. Think of transactions as the entries in our digital notebook. They're the heart of blockchain. A transaction is simply a record of value being transferred. For example, Alice sends 1 Bitcoin to Bob. Each transaction includes sender's address, who's sending, receiver's address, who's receiving, amount, how much is being transferred, digital signature, proof that the sender authorized it. The digital signature acts like a personal stamp, proving the transaction is legitimate without revealing private keys. When you send a transaction, it isn't added automatically. The transaction is broadcast to the network, where nodes check. Does the sender have enough balance? Is the digital signature valid? Only after these validations does the transaction wait to be added to a block, like a teacher checking homework before filing it in the gradebook. Once verified, transactions are grouped into a block. Each block can hold hundreds or thousands of transactions. The block gets a unique hash and connects to the previous block, building the chain. This ensures every transaction is permanent and tamper-proof. It's like sealing a stack of verified receipts in an envelope stored securely for all to see, but none can alter. Your transaction is confirmed once the block that contains it is added to the chain. More confirmations mean more security, making it practically impossible to reverse or tamper with your transaction. This trustless verification is why Bitcoin transactions are secure without needing a bank. So, in short, a transaction records a transfer of value. Nodes validate it. Verified transactions are grouped into blocks, linked in a chain. Confirmations make transactions permanent.